Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting the second phase of my healthcare analytics project, where I recreate my Excel dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. The purpose of this project is to analyze how artificial intelligence can impact healthcare operations, specifically focusing on diagnostic workflow efficiency, AI agreements, and department performance. The main business question I want to answer was, does AI-assisted healthcare technology improve operational efficiency and provide value to clinical workflows? Because real healthcare AI performance data is restricted due to patient privacy and proprietary healthcare systems. I created a synthetic dataset that represents a realistic healthcare environment before and after AI implementations. So let's go ahead and open up our data set and click on the data, transform the data. So transforming the data over here, we can see making sure the case ID part here is in text, date received it is in the date format, day and time date format. Departments are in the text format. Complexity scores, they are in a number format. AI assisted is a true and false. Turnaround time, those are in decimals. The amendment requires are true and false. Connections are text format. AI concordance are in the text format. And over here is where we could pretty much do our cleanups or making sure data are consistent and do any fixing and cleanup. If not, we are done. Then let's go ahead and close and apply. Okay, now let's go ahead and we have our data over here. We have our columns, case ID, date received, department, complexity score, AI assisted, turnaround time hours, amendment required, clinician ID, concordance. Let's go ahead and create some calculated columns. Let's go to new columns. And we want to go ahead and the column equals, that's going to be the title. Let's go ahead and rename that. AI equals if the health care data of the date received is less than the date. Let's go ahead and do 2025 first. Then we'll cover. We have free AI and after that, those will be post AI. We can see the date that is after 2025, January 1st, are all going to be post AI. That's this thing. But there's confirmed that there are some that is before 2025, January 1st, those are indeed labeled as pre-AI. Let's go ahead and add another column. Let's call that amendment status. So if healthcare data amendment required equals to true, then it will be labeled as required. If it's false, then it will be not. Again, I'm just going to confirm that it is working correctly. Let's go ahead and create one more column. Well, the purpose of making this too is to make the charts easier. So let's go ahead and create measures. Model view. Let's go ahead and create some new measures. Go ahead and click on new measures. And this one we're gonna call total cases. So if I in Excel we had a total cases. Instead of here, this is how we would go ahead and get our count from the data or total case ID. Total cases. And then let's go ahead and get our average turnaround time. A new measure, average TAT. This will be average turnaround time. Okay. And let's go ahead and get another measurement. AI specific cases. We'll calculate count cases ID and assisted that equals to true. Yeah. So the AI system measurement over here that will calculate how many cases are of AI system. And we should change the formatting over here to percentage. Double checking turnaround time. It should be in decimal numbers. And then the total cases are in whole numbers. Okay. And let's go and create another measurement of our AI agreement percentage. We want to do divide. And calculate count we want to do the healthcare of the case ID. Total make the cases, and then also we want to go ahead and do the AI encoding, and then that equals to Okay, agreed. And then divided by 8. Case like this, and then can AI assisted equals true. Yeah, let us see here. That's right. There we go. Too many points to see. And then this one, we are expecting percentage. So change this to percentage. And then let's go ahead and create another measurement of non-AI TAT, rate, average turnaround hours, and whenever it is AI assisted, it's false. And that should give us non-AI turnaround time. That's okay. Let's go ahead and create another one for the AI turnaround time. Calculate average turnaround time hours. See, and then also AI assisted when it goes to shoot. Okay. And let's go ahead and create another measurement of reduction, turnaround time reduction, percentage equals divide. We want to take our non-AI turnaround time minus AI turnaround time, and then divide that by the non-AI turnaround time, and we should have that into percentage. Then we could go ahead and build our dashboard. Okay, go back up here, the report view, and let's change this to get the name. So we could go ahead and create a text box. And just put our title here. Now here and text. Let's go and make it bigger. Center, bold. See what can we change? Background, we could change the color. And for our text, change it to white. Easy to see. Okay. So that's our title. And go ahead and start putting our KPI cards on there. We could go ahead and add our total cases. And the TAP reduction percentage right here. And the AI agreement percentage. And we could go ahead and edit expectation space on the side, sliders. And let's go ahead and we could make it bigger. And give it a larger number. Column headers, make the title larger as well. Flip this vertical line. Make it with larger separation. And make up the other larger as well. Make good. Okay. Can we change the wording over here? And value. Okay. Enter that. Change this one to center as well. And change this one to centered as well. Okay. And make a larger pattern. All right. Okay, that looks better. And let's go ahead and get our chart. Okay, so we want to make a stack column. In our stack column here, we want to have the AI assisted in the x-axis and our average turnaround time, average turnaround time here in the y-axis. Okay. Chart. And we have to change the title here. Let's see if that is our title. We change our title here. We're calling it the AI reduced. Diagnostic and okay. Now let's make a second chart. Let's go ahead and do the cluster bar chart over here. For this one, we want to do the count AI by department. So let's go and put the department on the y-axis and count of the AI assisted in the x-axis. So this will show by the department of AI assistant. Let's go ahead and do a donut chart. Let's add a donut chart. And this one we want to do the total cases with the AI concordance. So let's go and put the AI concordance in religion and the total cases in the value. And we want to go ahead and filter this. So we only want to show the agreed and disagree. So we could filter out the one that's not available. Next, let's go ahead and look at one more chart, turnaround time by the case complexity. Let's go ahead and have column chart. And let's go ahead and put the complexity score on the y-axis and put the average turnaround time. Turnaround time here on the y-axis. Change that to the average. And let's go ahead and add AI assisted in our chains. So it will go ahead and show. Let's go ahead and change out the title. Here it's turnaround time by case. That's it. There you go. We got all charts. Let's go ahead and put our slicers. Go ahead and this slicer and add a slicer here. So let's go ahead and resize this and place it around here. And then let's go ahead and add another slicer for the date received. And we just needed the use. So we'll go ahead and resize that. Move it down here. Let's go ahead and add another slicer, the AI assisted cases. That will give us a true or false that we can filter by if its cases are AI assisted or not. So the Power BI dashboard is designed as an executive healthcare analytic dashboard. So the top section here contains a KPI card showing the total cases and with the turnaround time reduction percentage and AI agreement rate. The first major finding was the improvement in turnaround time. So the dashboard shows non-AI assisted cases with 19 hours on average of the turnaround time of the non-AI assisted, and the AI assisted have average of 9.66 hours average turnaround time. So this represents a 49% turnaround time reduction. So this indicates that the AI assistants can significantly improve healthcare workflow efficiency. And the AI concordance analysis is the next visualization here that focuses on the AI agreement. So this measures how often clinicians agree with the AI recommendations. So the results show that 91% agreed versus the 9% disagreement. This suggested that AI recommendations were aligned with clinicians' decisions in the majority of the cases. The disagreement cases represent opportunity for additional review, such as evaluating it's because of complex cases or improving the AI model performance. The department performance analysis is the next visual that compares the AI impact across different departments. The department analyzed were the cardiology, oncology, pathology, and radiology. The results show the AI-assisted workflow improvement in runtime across all departments. Next, we provide deeper insights that I added turnaround time by the case complexity. This type of analysis is important because healthcare cases are not all the same difficulty. So I also analyze commitment rates to understand whether it affects reporting quality. So this metrics actually help create a more complete picture of AI performance beyond just speed improvements. As we can see with by case complexity, as it goes up in complexity, the average turnaround time with AI assisted versus non-AI assisted, it shows improvement. But based on the Power BI analysis, several recommendations can be made. First, healthcare organizations should consider expanding AI adoptions in areas where reducing turnaround time provides the greatest operational benefit. Second, the organizations should continue monitoring both efficiency and quality metrics. While AI shows strong workflow improvements and 91% agreement rates, healthcare teams should continue evaluating amendment rates, complex cases, AI disagreement patterns. Finally, interactive dashboards like this can help healthcare leaders make data-driven decisions about the future AI investments. Because they could go by the slicers to filter and see what they want to see. And they could choose by the years and by departments. So in conclusion, this Power BI dashboard demonstrates how healthcare data can be transformed into meaningful business insights. Starting from a raw healthcare data, I used Power Query for data preparation, DX for KPI calculations, Power BI visualization for reporting. The final dashboard provides a clear view of how AI affects healthcare workflow performance. The next phase of this project will recreate the same analysis using Tableau and maybe Python, including deeper statistical analysis and machine learning opportunities. Thank you.